In this video, I'll guide you through how to remove the hover effect in Webflow. Whether you're looking to streamline your design or simply adjust an interactive feature, understanding how to manage hover effects is essential for a sleek and user-friendly website. Let's dive in and simplify this process together. First things first, let's navigate to webflow.com. Webflow is a versatile platform that allows you to design, build, and launch responsive websites visually. It's important to be logged into your account to access your projects. Once you're on the homepage, take a moment to get comfortable with the interface if it's your first time here. Next, you'll want to click on All Sites to view the projects you've been working on. This is your gateway to managing and editing your various web creations. From here, you can see a list of all your current sites. It's a good idea to have a clear understanding of which project you'll be working on, especially if you have multiple sites under your account. Now, select the site you want to edit by clicking on it. This will open up the Webflow Designer, where you can make all your visual edits. The designer is where the magic happens, offering a range of tools and options for customizing your site. Take a moment to let the page load completely to ensure all features are accessible. Once you're in the designer, identify the element from which you want to remove the hover effect. Click on this element to select it. This could be a button, a link, or any other interactive component. Selecting the element correctly ensures that the changes you make will apply to the right part of your website. With the element selected, look to the right side of the screen where you'll find the interactions folder. Click on interactions to open it. This panel allows you to manage and customize different animations and effects on your site. It's an essential tool for creating engaging user experiences, but sometimes you want to keep things simple. Now, it's time to remove the hover effect. Inside the interactions panel, you'll see a list of interactions applied to the selected element. Find the hover effect you want to remove. This might be labeled as a hover state or interaction. Simply click to delete or disable it. This action will remove the hover effect from the element, giving it a static appearance when users interact with it. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully removed the hover effect from an element in Webflow. Remember, the key to mastering Webflow is practice and exploration. Don't hesitate to play around with other features and interactions to get the most out of your web design. Thanks for watching and happy designing.